India's space ambitions have grown significantly over the past few decades, with the country positioning itself as a key player in the global space race. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, founded in 1969, has been at the heart of this journey, achieving numerous milestones with limited resources, which has garnered international recognition. Here are some key elements of India's space ambitions. 1. Cost-effective space mission. ISRO is known for its cost-efficient space missions, often at a fraction of the cost of comparable missions by other space agencies. The most famous example is the Mars Orbiter mission, Mangalyaan, which successfully entered Mars orbit in 2014 for just $74 million, making it one of the least expensive interplanetary missions in history. 2. Moon exploration. Chandrayaan mission. Chandrayaan-1, 2008, India's first mission to the moon, which helped confirm the presence of water molecules on the lunar surface. Chandrayaan-2, 2019, attempted to land on the moon's south pole. Although the lander lost contact before landing, the orbiter is still operational and continues to send data back to Earth. 3. Chandrayaan-3. It is India's third lunar mission, launched by ISRO and demonstrated the ability to perform a soft landing on the moon, specifically on its south pole, a region of great interest due to potential water ice deposits, which can be used as a fuel for further exploration of space and for future moon settlements. Chandrayaan-2, which included orbiter, lander and rover. Chandrayaan-3 focused only on the lander and rover and does not carry any orbiter because Chandrayaan-2 orbiter is still operational and sends valuable data from lunar orbit. 3. Mars mission, Mangalyaan. In 2013, India became the first country to successfully reach Mars in its maiden attempt with the Mars Orbiter mission, MOM. This was a major achievement for ISRO and marked India as a significant player in space exploration. 4. Human spaceflight, Gaganyaan mission. India is working toward its first crewed space mission, Gaganyaan, which aims to send Indian astronauts, Gagannauts, into space. The mission is expected to send astronauts to low Earth orbit, marking a major leap in India's human space exploration ambitions. 5. Satellite launch capabilities. ISRO has become a leader in launching satellites for other countries. It has launched over 300 satellites from 33 different countries, thanks to its Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, and Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, GSLV. India has also developed its own navigation system, NAVIC, as part of its ambitions to provide satellite navigation services to the region. 6. Space stations and future goals. While India has not yet built its own space station, it is rumored to be working on future plans for such a project. India's growing technological capabilities suggest that it could establish a space station within the next few decades, contributing to its increasing space exploration and research goals. 7. Private sector and collaboration. The Indian government has recently opened the space sector to private players, with the establishment of the Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center, INSpace, which will allow private companies to develop and launch space missions. Additionally, ISRO continues to collaborate with major space agencies, including NASA, ESA, European Space Agency, and Russia's Roscosmos. 8. International collaboration. India's space ambitions are not just about domestic advancements. The country has also signed numerous international agreements, focusing on space science and technology. Collaboration with countries like the US, Russia, Japan, and France helps enhance India's capabilities in space exploration. 9. Future prospects. India's space program has laid out ambitious plans for the coming decades, including sending probes to explore Venus and other deep space missions, expanding satellite-based communication, Earth observation, and remote sensing technologies, improving its space infrastructure and developing cutting-edge technologies like reusable rockets. Conclusion: India's space ambitions are broad, aiming to make significant contributions to global space exploration, technological innovation, and commercial space ventures. With its achievements in interplanetary exploration, satellite launches, and ambitious future projects, ISRO continues to push the boundaries of what India can achieve in space. The coming years will likely see even more exciting developments in India's growing space sector.